Dear students, how are you? Welcome back to the fourth part of the session. I hope you might have practiced, you might have gone through the video, and you would have enjoyed it. Keep smiling, enjoy your learning. It's a different way of learning. Let's enjoy. Let's get started with page number 5050. We're starting formatting a chart. The chart which is already created. Now we are doing formatting, means giving different kind of effects to the chart. This is the most interesting part. I feel that you will love formatting. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. We can format the chart by changing its title, its text, fonts, line colors, width, border style, legend, data series, etc. We can also change the numbers on value axis, hide or show grid lines. Changing the chart area background. We can modify the chart by changing its background. Double click on the chart. It gets enclosed by a gray border which indicates the edit mode. So let us click on the chart. So I will first of all click on chart area, right? Or go to select, then go to format option, click on chart area. So these are two ways. Click on format and then you go to chart area and click over here. This is one of the method, or left click two times in the chart area section, like this. Left click two times. So the dialog box which is there in front of you is called as chart area. It is written over here, right? The chart area dialog box appears. By default, the border tab is selected. This one. This is the border tab. This is the area tab. This is the transparency tab. So this is the border tab. By default means whenever you open the dialog box, this should be open in front of you. Click on the area tab. Select the desired color from the displayed list of fill. So if you want to select any border style, you can click over here. These are the various borders. You can select the continuous. This is how it will look like. Go to color section, select the color of your choice. Okay, you can also select the width, thickness, how the border should look like. Okay, and then press on OK button. If you press it, what will happen? The border will come. See, the border, orange color border is there. Now again left click on two times on chart area section. Again the dialog box is open. Click on area option, go to color section, select the color of your choice which you would like to fill. So this is the color which I would like to fill. Okay, there is various options like gradient, if you have images, if you have pattern, right, hatch. The various kind of things you can use it from here itself and apply it. Okay, whichever you like, you can select it. I'm selecting a color, a particular color. Click on the transparency tab. You will find three types of transparency mode: no transparency, transparency, and gradient. So this is the third tab known as transparency. Three mode: no transparency, transparency, and gradient. Okay. If I select the transparency, if you want a lighter shade, click on the down arrow key. If you want a little bit darker shade, click on the top part of the increase mode so that it will increase the shade. Okay. You can also click on gradient, linear, if you want aerial, if you want radial like that, different kind of shades if you like it. And then once you are sure what you would like to have it, you can press on OK button. So the shade is applied on entire part of the chart area, right? So that's the first formatting chart, that is changing the chart area background. You are given a background color to it. Now, after this, changing the chart wall background. The chart wall is the area that contains the actual chart itself. Double click on the chart wall, or you can choose from the format, then click on chart wall, or right click on the chart wall and select the format wall option from the shortcut menu. The chart wall dialog box will appear. Choose the desired setting and click OK. So let's do format, chart wall. Again, the same tabs are there: border, area, transparency. Okay. You want to apply any kind of border, you can select a border. If you want to apply some color to it, you can apply that. You want to increase the thickness or decrease it, you can see how it looks like. Area, you want some gradient to be filled into it to make it more beautiful so that you can enjoy the mixing of color and all, right? Radial, linear will look like this, aerial will look like this will look elliptical, so you will feel much more better with this. And then feel some different color can be chosen so that it looks better. Let's see. Oh, see the radial, how beautiful it looks like. Okay, so this is changing the chart wall. So this is the entire chart wall. This is the inner part or inner section of the chart wall, which you can go ahead changing the chart title. Now this is the chart title here. Okay, this is the main chart title. You can click on it, right? Double click on the chart to select it. Double click on the chart title to make modification inside. Type the changes that you want to make the chart to the chart title. Click anywhere outside the title to apply the changes. Likewise, we can change the x-axis and y-axis titles. Let's do it. Left click 2 times. Results, form 7. Results. Code. Okay. Same way. Left click, names. Okay. Like that, you can make changes in x-axis also, in y-axis also. Mark or marks. Okay. So as we make the changes on all the titles, you can see it how easy to make the formatting effect. Formatting the title, double click on the chart for selection, select the format, then title, and main title. This is another way. The main title dialog box will appear. Select the font tab and change the family, style, and size as per your requirement. Format, then title and main title. Click on format, click on title, go to main title, and then this is how it will look like. The main title will look like this, and accordingly, you can make the changes. Select the font tab. So this is the font tab. You can make the changes to the font can say, oh, many different kind of fonts are over there. Out of these fonts, whatever you like, you can select it, like Times New Roman. If it is there, yeah, there it is, Times New Roman, bold. Say for example, it's 15 points. Okay, you can apply that. Choose the font effect tab, change the font color by clicking on the drop down menu, font effect, font color. You click on the font color, which color which you like the most, you can select that. You can apply the font color. Okay, and then press the OK button. To change all the titles at once, select the format title or title option. So this can be done, and press OK button and see the changes. The color has been changed. The font style has been changed. So this is how we can apply the formatting effects on the title section. Very detailed and very easy way to do all the formatting effects. Formatting the axis. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. Right? To change the formatting effect of both the axes, follow the given steps. Double click on the chart to select it. Or you can go to axis, yeah, chart area, that is. Format and click on axis, all axis. So axis is the dialog box which we are searching for. Click on format, then go to axis, then select all axis option. We have done the same way. The axis dialog box appears. In the axis dialog box, change the formatting effects by selecting the line. So selecting the line. Okay, that's the first step. Label. If you see the text direction, I'm changing 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 35, 40, 55, 50. I'll go to 90 degrees. Let's see. Okay, 90 degrees. Okay, font and font effects. Font, Arial, bold, font effects. I'm changing the color to, say, for example, red. Let's see what are the changes done. Note, in a similar manner, we can change the formatting effects of an individual axis by selecting the format, then going to axis and then clicking on x-axis. So here are the changes done. See, the color has changed, the direction of the text has also changed, right? Changing the scale of y-axis. We can customize the scale to meet our requirements. Follow the below steps to change the scale of y-axis. Right-click on the y-axis and select Format Axis. This is the y-axis. So right-click, Format Axis. There it is. The y-axis dialog box is open in front of you. Then click on Automatic checkbox. So this is the automatic checkbox, minimum, maximum, and all. Click on automatic checkbox and now type 20 in the minimum tab. So this is minimum, automatic you are removing, type 20. Okay, press the tab key and enter 200 in the maximum text box. Tab key, it's for this, and type 200. You can select it by this way, 200 like this. Simply you have to select it. Click on OK. The chart will display the values between 20 to 200. So the chart will minimum start with 20 and maximum will end up at 200. And accordingly, the plotting value will remain as it is. So here it is 20, 70, 120, 170, like that. It will go on. See, I will have to increase the size of the chart to see so that you can see all 200. Here it is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. So the difference is 20, 20, 20, like that. Similarly, we can change the scale of x-axis to insert a data label. Right click on the individual data series and choose Insert Data Labels option. The labels will be automatically inserted on the bar. Like this. Format data series. Insert data labels. This is the insert data labels. Here I'm changing it. Okay, giving some effects to it. Right click on data series. See, this is nothing. Now I'm inserting the data labels. Right click, insert data labels. What is the difference? You see the numbers. What is it plotted for? So this is known as inserting data labels on the x-axis of data series. Formatting legend. A legend is a box that identifies the pattern or color assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legends mostly appear to the right of a chart. So this is the legend, right? You can place them on left, right, top and bottom of the chart. So I can move it. On top I have placed it. If you observe, it is four-headed arrow. On left hand side I have pasted, at the bottom I have placed it. So you can place this legend at any place of the chart. Select the chart. Legends mostly appear to the right side. You can place them on left, right, top and bottom of the chart. We can format the text, background and boundary and color of the legend. Select the chart, double click on the legend's boundary. The legend dialog box will open. By default, the borders tab will be active. These are the active. So legend dialog box is open in front of you. Make the required changes by clicking on the style drop down arrow. You can make the changes of style. Again, it is the lines only. And selecting any style of your choice. Double dash and dot. I'm choosing that. Similarly, click on the color drop down arrow and select the shade of your choice. Select the shade of your choice. Purposefully, I'm selecting different colors, much darker color, so that you can easily make out how it looks. This is how it will look. Click on the width drop down arrow and select the thickness of your choice. Thickness of your how much thick you want the borders of the legend, and view the new legend border. This is how it will look. Press OK button. So this is how it has been done. In the similar manner, select the area. Okay, still we have to do it. Okay, go to area.